our second official vlog. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nanood sa aming Mother's Day special episode. And as of this moment, meron na tayong 160 subscribers! Yay! At naniniwala kami na magiging 1 million ang subscribers namin. Do you agree with me, Dani and Kuya?
Yes!
Yes! Okay! Sa lahat ng mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, the Bracinos TV, and
Hit the notification bell for updates!
yay! Today's episode, obvious naman dito sa table namin, we are going to teach you how to make our favorite dessert.
Mango tapioca!
Yay! Okay, sa lahat po ng mga mommies, this is one of the best bonding activities with your kids during this summer na hindi nyo kailangang lumabas because it's pandemic. Bawal lumabas ng mga bata. So you can have your kids prepare meals, dishes, and dessert with you. Ready na ba kayo, Kuya? Dani?
Yes!
Oh, by the way, before we start, bakit nyo favorite ang mango tapioca? Dani?
Because we love mango!
How about you, Kuya? Why do you like mango tapioca?
It has mangoes and the cream is very sweet.
Yay! Okay. So we have here the ingredients on the table. What are these? Dani, tulungan ninyo ako. What are these? We have here
Mango that are sliced.
sliced mango already. And we have
And
here,
a blender.
of course, we need blender to make mango
the
puree.
Mango jelly. And mangoes that are not slices.
Okay, and then, what is
Sago.
this? Sago. Okay, sago. Or in English, it's called
Sago.
yun, sago. Made from palm extract. Okay, and we also have
Cream.
and
And condensed milk.
yay! So, we are now going to start. Okay, so first step, we need to cut the mangoes to make mango puree. Of course, we need
Blender.
okay. Alright, so now that you put all the mango strips into the blender, the next thing that we are going to do, of course, ay i-blend na natin siya. Sige.
Want to pour it now? Yeah. Time to pour it at the same time.
Be careful while you pour the milk and the cream.
Yeah, you do. I pour.
So, once na-mix nyo na siya, we are now going to put the sago and the, what is this?
Mango jelly.
Yes, okay. So let's pour
What
it
is this
now.
orange one? There's the mangoes.
Okay, mixed it. So ipupour na natin yung
Mango puree.
Oo, yung blended natin kanina.
It looks
Sige,
amazing.
because this is mango tapioca, so it is obvious, na dapat meron siyang maraming
Mango.
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 So apart from the puree, mamaya lalagyan din natin siya ng mango strips.
Again.
Yes. Now that we are done with the preparation of our favorite dessert, which is mango tapioca, it's time for us to
Try!
okay, taste test na tayo. Sige. How about you, Dani? Dali, eat na, Dani. Kain na.
It's good.
How is it? Wait lang. Ubusin niyo muna yung nasa mouth niyo. And then we're gonna talk about the taste.
I'm done.
Okay, how is it, Danny?
Good.
Kumusta yung lasa? Look at the camera. Sabihin mo sa kanila kung masarap yung prepare ninyong dessert.
Masarap yun. But it's really tasty. What's this? Oh yeah, the mango. It's good. But not it was great. It was a little sour, but still great.
Okay, we are done with our mango tapioca.
It was delicious, so you have to clap your hands.
Yay! Okay. Yay! Tina's also clapping her hands. How was the preparation with Mommy?
It was great.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Lots of thumbs up and clap for Mommy because Mommy's the best cooker.
Okay, so until our next...
Delicious.
Sige, magpaalam na tayo. Until our next episode. Bye!